Greetings, please keep watching, but first I want to say something. I see that you're watching but haven't subscribed. Please watch the video until the end and subscribe. I would be very happy. Breakfast should definitely be porridge, because it's the best food and the easiest to digest. This was the biggest tower they had ever seen in their dreams, and the tower was actually there. This is very amazing. This felt like a true story. It was always true. They never lied. This fairy tale felt like it would last forever.
Now, little Buzz, the wind blows cold outside. What?
This is what they saw when they looked out the window.
집에서 말하고요.
I love you.
Despite everything, she loved hugging her husband, whom she loved more than anything, and sleeping in his arms, and she always did it. It was truly wonderful, and even if she didn't have to, she needed to. Because her husband also slept in her arms occasionally, because marriage is a marriage that lasts forever, it requires this. If you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and please like the video. Thank you for more. Thank you so much for watching this far.